Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if the Windows, Shift and SK combinations is not working properly for Snip and Sketch utility. So the Windows plus Shift plus S keyboard shortcut is a useful and efficient tool for capturing your entire screen and copying it to the clipboards in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And it is a quick and easy way to capture and share informations. And then I'll show you a quick method to fix it. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to check the Snip and Sketch tool. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung system. At dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung notifications. So i-click mo lang yan. And dito sa notifications, and then scroll down. And then under dito sa notifications from apps and other senders. So kailangan mo lang i-select dito or i-locate mo lang dito yung Snip and Sketch, or ito yung kinatawag na snipping tool. And then kailangan lang natin itong i-turn on. So dito lang sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung kanyang button. So kailangan mo lang siyang i-turn on kung naka-turn up siya. Okay, so click mo lang yan. Alright, so in other solution na pwede natin gawin is to reset Snip and Sketch for snipping tool. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang ulit dito yung settings, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu, and select mo lang dito yung apps. And then dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung installed apps. And dito lang sa installed apps at dito sa search app ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung Snip and Sketch tool or snipping tool. Ayan. So i-type mo lang yan. And makikita mo kaagad dito. Alright. So ang next step, so dito lang sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung tatlong dots. So i-click mo lang yan. And then select mo lang dito yung advanced option. And dito lang sa kanyang advanced option settings, and then scroll down and select mo lang dito yung reset. Okay? So if this app isn't working right, so we can try to repair it. So kailangan mo lang itap dito yung repair and wait mo lang na ma-complete yung repair process. And then after ma-complete, and then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click or itap mo lang dito yung reset. Okay? So wait mo ulit na ma-complete yung reset process. So after dito sa settings, in hope na na-resolve yung problem, but if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to turn on the clipboard history. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on the search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo ulit dito yung settings. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu, and select mo lang dito yung system. At dito sa right side, ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung clipboard. Okay, so scroll down ka lang, and then kailangan mo lang i-tap or i-click dito yung clipboard. And dito sa clipboard ay kailangan mo lang itong i-turn on. So dito lang sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung kanyang button. So kailangan mo lang siyang i-turn on. Okay, so after dito sa settings, and other solution na pwede natin gawin is to unplug and replug your USB devices. So if you have connected to a USB devices to your PC for gaming or display related activities, it may interfere with your ability to perform Windows plus Shift plus SK shortcut. It's recommended that you unplug and then replug the USB device. So kailangan mo lang i-unplug or re-unplug natin yung any USB connected dito sa ating PC or laptop. And then re-plug mo ulit siya after a while. Alright? So ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows plus Shift plus S shortcut not working in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.